Welcome back to Knotty's workshop. Knotty here. Got all of the tenons cut with the router on the tabletops, and now I can start to get the shoulder lines to match up here on these aprons and start to work on some of the through tenons. I got three of those on each of these ends to do, but the router and the jig set up for it work pretty good, and they're all about the same size, give or take a thousandth, but Knotty's always within a thousandth, so usually within a foot, but a thousandth this time. So it's been storming here all day. Hoping you're getting some fairly decent weather so you can get some stuff off your plate and get it done. But maybe I'll show a little bit tomorrow on the cutting the shoulders out on these and marking these tenons off and getting those cut in there, those three through tenons. And then I can go ahead and throw that mahogany up on here and transfer the lines off on that for those end caps and get those cut with the mortiser. And I'll go ahead and record that too. I think that'd be good. If you haven't seen one of those hollow chisel mortisers work before, you'll find that they're the bomb, and kind of expensive, but well worth the time that they save you and the chisel work and stuff. But anyhow, that's where we're at on the Knotty workbench today, and hope that things are well there, and we'll talk with you soon. Knotty out.